Hi guys, finally the DT process has started without any fanfare. They've not given any circular, no information. That's so typical of DT. So anyway, so now the process is you have to do the online verification first, online submission first that yes, you are interested in the cap round. So that's the first step. So for that I made this video. So you can go to the description box, check out the link where you can go and register, or I've given a step-by-step procedure how to register for that. That's step number one. It's a completely new process, so even nobody is aware of that. So I want you to relax. I want you to go step by step. Don't do anything wrong. And I have seen students who have missed out their top colleges because they could not submit the form on time, or they missed out on the cap round 1 credit. So no worries. Even if you miss your cap round 1 credit, you can go to cap round 2 directly. But obviously you might not get the top college you were expecting. For example, one of our last year student was getting Sydenham College, but because of this nonsense process formed by DT, he could not get Sydenham, he got Somaya. ठीक है, but उसकी भी गलती थी that he went to submit the document last day. So let's not let to avoid that, we will fill on time. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, so do subscribe to this channel so you can get all the updates automatically which I'm going to make. So for right now, from this verification to document submission, I'm going to be with you for all the times. So do subscribe to the channel. In case you are still not convinced, you can visit any of our centers in Mumbai, Thane, Dadar, Vashi, Andheri, Borivali, Pune, Nasik, Nagpur. So Nagpur se center tak kahin bhi aap jaake you can come and we will help you to submit this form. Alright, so let's start with the process. Alright, so first thing first, you have to go to this maha2019cap.org link. So I've also given the link in the description box for more easy for you to go, and then sign in. The moment you click the button sign in, obviously it will take you to the page where you can sign in into the process. So once you sign up, sign up, they will ask you what to fill. So PG program, that is our MBA program. Are you NRI, non-NRI, country code, mobile number, email ID. So this is application form you have to submit. Yep. So with your name, middle name, last name. This is according to the CET form you have filled. So if you have your admit card handy, that'll be great. If you don't have your admit card with you, if you can download the CET result, last year result, the PDF where everyone could see the result. I've also given the link in the description box for that. So you can check out the details, the exact name. For example, my full name is Ravneet Singh Gandhi. So I have to put in Ravneet Singh Gandhi, which is in the CET form. I can't just put Ravneet Gandhi because it might get rejected as well. Okay, date of birth, gender, Aadhaar card, which is not important, password which have to be with uppercase, lowercase, all these conditions. So once you do that, you have to press the submit button. Yep. So after submit button, it asks you to for this kind of capita and OTP. OTP will come as in your SMS. It's not an easy thing to get OTP. I tried 5 times. Finally, I was able to log in the 6th time. So I have to reset the OTP number 5 times to get a final OTP. Yeah. So once you register, you get a confirmation from them. Your mobile number is going to be your login ID, and the password is going to be the password which you're going to put here. Okay. So once you are logged in, again you have to sign in again with your new login ID. Alright, once you sign in, it asks you which program you want to select. So in the download, you have to find out which CET exam. So MBA CET, if you're applying through MAT ATMA, you have to select MAT ATMA. Now there's a confusion. Those who want to apply through CET and MAT ATMA, whether you have to fill 2 forms or whether you will fill only 1 form, this is not yet clear. So whichever the best score, try to fill using that thing for the time being. Then from the Setu Kendra, we have to visit and find out more information. As of today, even they have no idea because even for them it's a new process. Fine, I'm especially would like to thank Siddharth here. Siddharth helped me out to find out all these links. So he's one of our students. Okay, so thanks Siddharth for the information. Okay, so CET में आपने select किया, then it will obviously you have to select MBA CET which I have chosen. So your seat number, this seat number you have to fill from your CET result form, that PDF which is there. And you can do this thing. Now you might be able to select multiple things as well. For example, there's only one thing selected called CET. You might be able to add MAT ATMA. This is not clear yet. So एक बार try करके देखो, अगर MAT ATMA साथ में add होता है, नहीं होता है तो we will obviously might have to fill the form again, because there was a news in between that you might have to fill 2 separate forms, one for CET, one for MAT ATMA. ठीक है. Then course eligible, you are eligible for MBA MS course, and then it will ask you, do you want to apply for the PGDM as well? Now a lot of B schools accepting PGDM are accepting PGDM score through cap round also. So ये टिक मार्क करके छोड़ दो, बाद में देखा जाएगा कौन सा कॉलेज आता है, फिर देखेंगे क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, which are colleges are there in the list. Yeah. Alright, so once you submit, they'll ask you for the person information. You have to upload your photo and sign again. This same photo sign I've uploaded in the CET paper. So this is what I recommend you do यार, एक जगह रख लो लेके photo and sign, because you're going to need them a lot of time. So एक बार ये करके रख लिया तो अपना काम हो जाएगा. Digital sign, then your name details, your address, correspondent address, permanent address, yep, all these things. Main thing is the category here. Now category, for example, in my case I put open here. If you're in the reserved category, you have to put reserved category, your caste. Do you have applied for the certificate? Do you have a religious minority? Now this is very important to understand. Those who are applying from the minority status colleges like Fumaya for Guju quota, Khalsa College for Sikh quota, and Christian Xavier's for the Christian quotas. According to that, you have to tick yes here. If you have any kind of a minority, please do tick. You never know which college you can get. For example, SIS college have a cutoff of 99 percentile for open student, but for the South Indian, which is Tamil category, this cutoff can go down to as low as 80 percentile. 99 percentile for open, and for Tamil quota 80 percentile. So whatever minority you have, religious minority, do fill it here. And linguistic, Hindu quota, like Dalmia of a Hindu quota. But obviously they need to be a proof. Like Sindhi, you might get a certificate claiming that you are from the Sindhi category. So that category certificate proof is obviously required. Now which proof is going to be required, I have no idea. You have to check from Setu Center, then accordingly we can submit the status. Now suppose you have some particular category but you don't have a certificate now, or you don't know which certificate submit. अभी के लिए कर दो. In case that get rejected, you will become an open candidate. So don't worry about that कि they won't reject your application. Alright, so after filling this form, you will get your registration desk, SSK registration desk. Student name, district, taluka. Now this is important. Whichever district you choose, you will get a ARC center, which is your Suvidha center at that location only. So that's the best part, that you will get to choose a center. Okay. Earlier क्या था, you can visit any of the centers, but now you have to pre-select where you want to go. For example, when I selected Thane, New Bombay is coming in Thane, so I selected New Bombay. So the moment I selected Thane, they gave me these 5 choices. So Sterling College, Navi Mumbai, Indira College, Lokmanya Tilak, AP Shah Thane, and Terna College, Navi Mumbai. So Terna College is very close to my home, so I selected Terna College for my document verification. Yeah, after doing this, you have to pay the fees of 42 rupees. You can pay by credit card, debit card, or Paytm. I also have paid this thing because I want to participate in the cap rounds so that I can make the videos for you. So I've spent 42 rupees. So the moment you get 42 rupees, submit, you will get a confirmation like this. So I've submitted my application. They've given me application number, district, Setu Center, and the time of submission. So today 11:34 I have done this online transaction success. Okay. Now the process gets over. Now documents have to be uploaded or physically taken to be there. We have not been given any information about that. So what I would recommend, wait for a couple of days, because suppose today if I go to Terna College, maybe even they are not aware of the new process, because this is a completely new process. Yeah. So let's wait and watch for that. So आप आराम करो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. We have 25 days का time to submit all this. That's a typical time they normally given by DT. तो आप आराम से जाओ, आराम से अपन कल परसों में जाके आएंगे, because आज जाके आओगे टाइम वेस्ट होएगा. Even they are not aware of that. So वो लोग कुछ गलत बोल देंगे, या they won't entertain you at all. So better wait for 1-2 days and then we'll see that. Okay. So do subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to upload more videos like this. If you are unable to fill this form, you are most welcome to visit any of the CET center. So we have the centers in Mumbai, 5 locations: Mumbai, Nasik, Nagpur, Pune. You can visit any of the branches to get your document submitted, get your registration done. Yeah. So the process finally starts. So all the best. Thank you.